Alright guys, thanks for clicking on the channel. I hope you're all well. I've had a bit of a job to get out to do this vlog for you today, because I've been dealing with an inspector short ass for the last couple of days of work. That's another story. Right, got an excellent product to show you guys. It's brand new. It's the Wubby, or the poncho liner it's called. It's from Miltech, and this cost me £39.99, Great Britain. It's a lightweight product, brilliant for sleeping in the summer months. You can use it in the winter. You just have to add one more item. I'll show you a little bit later. But what I'm going to do, I brought my poncho along with me. This is my Miltech poncho. This product clips to this product to make like a sleeping bag. Why I choose this and not a woolen blanket? Two reasons. Woolen blankets are great, right? Absolutely fabulous, but they're heavy. This is light as a feather, something like 600 grams, and this will dry a lot quicker than a wool blanket. So that's why I've decided to go with this rather than a wool blanket for my summer stealth camping. Let's have a look at it. So the first thing we do, guys, is we lay out our poncho. That's a waterproof layer, okay? There's your poncho. So lay out the poncho to start. And what I'm going to do now, before I do anything else, I'm going to seal the hood up. It's a boiling hot day today, but we're going to do a demonstration if it was foul weather, okay? So you would do that up, you enclose the hood, because if it was raining and it was on an incline, water would run past you, not into you, okay? That's all you do with the ties. Just tie a bow. So the hood is sealed up now, okay? So that's stage one, as you say. Lay the poncho out and seal the hood up. So moving on, guys, you take a Wubby. We lay it out on top of a poncho. As you can see, it's exactly the same size. This is like army style cowboy camping, right? And it's called a Wubby because in the winter and in the summer, if you got one of these, you will be cold. So if you notice, it's got like short shoelaces. There's 3 down the outside. There's 1 in the middle of each end, and there's 3 down that side. There's your poncho, look. So what it is, you just tie them there with a bow to connect it to the poncho. I'll do that now. So there you go, guys. So it's connected now to the poncho. So you got your waterproof outer layer. If you're going to use this in winter, the other element you'd add is a mylar blanket. Okay, you'd put that between the 2 layers. So there's your taco sleep system, man. or your Ranger taco as they call it in the States. So I would go in between, okay? So what you got is this now, guys, right? Just get inside, pull it over you, and there's clips on the poncho. What you would do is just clip a few of them up. Don't have to clip them all up. Just clip one or two of them up. Like so. The bottom end's open, so you can leave your boots on if you want to. New solid end in there like a. That's a brilliant summer sleeping system, see? And what you can do is you can leave it connected if you wanted to. And I'll have it like a permanent fixture, you know, you can connect it to your burger and what have you. So that's what you do, guys. I'll show you what you can do now if you want to take your boots off, okay? And if when you want to get out then, it's just a new way. If you did want to take your boots off, you could just put your burger cover over your boots, seal it tight, just to stop any insects and crawlies getting inside, okay? So as I said, you can keep this in if you wanted to, right? As a permanent bedroll, you know? So you just roll it up nice and tight as a permanent fixture. Like so. Some paracord or some elastics, and I would go on your pack. And that weighs absolutely nothing. If you were just stopping and you know it was windy and cold and things, you could just wear it like so, like that. You could even use it in the house, innit? Could step on a settee watching Netflix, so you could use it like that. So there's your would-be, guys. Absolutely brilliant product, super happy with that. It's going to be awesome through the summer. I'll put the link down below in the description, okay? I'll put the link for the poncho and for the would-be. They don't just do them in fleck tan, they do them in woodland camo. They do them in a range, you know. You can have them just olive green if you wanted to. But there it is. Here's the would-be, the poncho liner. Absolutely brilliant bit of kit. If you notice, there's no hole in the middle for the hood, because it's not meant to be worn, you know, like that as a poncho. It's meant to be for sleeping in, to make a sleeping bag. But it's super lightweight, guys. Unbelievable lightweight it is. It takes up no room if you wanted to put in your burger, you know, separately or together. But I guess I'll be putting some elastics on mine and connecting it to the outside of the burger. So with your air pad, guys, this one's mine. This is my 3/4 self-inflating British Army, okay? That would also go in between the poncho and the would-be. I'd go through the middle, so I would move about then, see? I'd go in between. And as I said, winter time, put a mylar blanket in between those two layers. You can make a bedroll out of this then. Make a permanent bedroll. Like so. Elastic. So here's my bedroll, look. So there's the label, look. Liner, wet weather poncho, Miltech. So there you go guys, your poncho liner, or your wubby. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the link down below in the description. They're both from Miltech, as I said. I'll also put the link down below for this, okay? Because they do go hand in hand, guys. Two brilliant products. They do them in all sorts of camos as well. They do them in about 6 different varieties of camo. So I'll put the links down below for you guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one now, and it's back to work for me tomorrow to deal with Chief Inspector Short Arse. Over and out guys. See you on the next one.